Welcome to Cineplex Talks. Actually, first I named my channel as Animan Sunday Talks, but I thought I can speak all about English movies and English series and cartoon movies, cartoon series and anime series and also Sentai movies and Sentai series. So I changed my channel name as Cineplex Talks. Year after, you can see my channel name as Cineplex Talks. Make sure that click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon and give a big thumbs up to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about Sentai. Now let's go into the video. First, I will explain what is Super Sentai and what do you mean by Sentai. These two things I will explain first. Super Sentai is a Japanese superhero theme-made series. Sentai is a Japanese word for task force or fighting squad. So actually the Sentai is the origin of Power Rangers. All Power Rangers has been remade from Sentai only. These are all the common information about Sentai. Now you can ask, who created Sentai? Because I have explained only what is Sentai. Now I will explain who created Super Sentai. Super Sentai is created by Shotaro Ishinomori in 1975. In 1975, the first Sentai is created. You can ask, who is Shotaro Ishinomori? Now I will give some information about who is Shotaro Ishinomori. Shotaro Ishinomori was a Japanese manga artist who became an influential figure in manga, anime and tokusatsu, creating several hugely popular long-running series such as Cyborg 009, the Super Sentai series and Kamen Rider series. And he was born on 25th January 1938 at Mayugi and died in 28 January 1998. Now I will tell what are all the notable works of Shotaro Ishinomori. His notable works are Kamen Rider, Super Sentai, Cyborg 009, Rabocon Sarutobi XG. These are all the notable works of Shotaro Ishinomori. You can ask, he got any award for these manga series? Yes, he got one award. He got Tozaka Osamu Cultural Prize in 1998. These are all the information about Shotaro Ishinomori. And if you want more information, you can comment in comment section and I will make an individual video about Shotaro Ishinomori. You can ask, who published Sentai? Someone have to publish, then only the Sentai has been popular. So the Sentai is published by two members. They are Toei Company and TV Asus. Now you can ask, that means Super Sentai series is a popular series. How many Super Sentai series are there? Now I will tell how many Super Sentai series are there. There are 45 Super Sentai series. Now I will list all the 45 Sentai series. All the 45 Super Sentai series I will list one by one, you can see. The first Sentai series that is released is Himitsu Sentai Gold Ranger. This is the first Sentai that released at April 1975. And if you want more information, I will make a separate video for each Sentai. In this video, I have just mentioned all the Sentai. You can see all the Sentais, all 45 Sentais which I have shown in the screen. If you have any doubt about Sentai, I will explain when I am explaining each Sentai individually, because in this video I can't able to explain all the Sentai individually briefly, because each Sentai has so many episodes like 84 episodes, 64 episodes, 50 episodes, etc. So I can't able to explain all Sentai in this video. So when I'm explaining individually on that time, I will explain each and every information about Sentai. If you have any doubt about general information of Sentai, please comment in comment section and then I will reply you or I will explain that in another video. Totally there are 46 Sentai, so I can't able to explain each Sentai in single video. So in first video I will explain the introduction and about the origin of each Sentai, and from second video onwards I will explain each and every episode. So if you want to know all the episodes, and make sure that click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon and give a big thumbs up to my channel to see our upcoming videos. Ask, the Sentai and anime are same? No, the Sentai is different from anime because anime is a cartoon that has emotions and violence, etc. But in Sentai it has only less violence and it is mainly created for children. And then Sentai is made of live action. That means each and every real person act in a Sentai. So in Sentai it is only made for children, so it can't have so many violence. These are the difference between anime and Sentai. And another difference between anime and Sentai is Sentai has only one genre, that is like action, but anime has action, crime, and like comedy, etc. Because anime has so many genres, but Sentai has only one genre. Actually, all Sentai has same origin and same thing, but some difference will be there. You can ask, Sentai has any age fact? Yes, Sentai has some age fact. Now I will explain which age fact Sentai has and for whom the Sentai is created. All the Sentai is created for children because all Sentai has less violence and has less bloodstains, etc. So because of that, the Sentai is mainly created for children's only. If you want more information about Sentai, I will make an individual video. Okay, bye, take care, have a nice day.